What's up? It's Jonathan the Trading Chemist back with another video, and I'm documenting my trading journey to $100,000. I just passed my top step combine, and now I just got three $50,000 express funded accounts, and I'm excited. So the real work begins here because now we got to secure these payouts, right? So here are the three payout rules you got to work. So you get up to four payouts per month per account. You need at least 5 days of $150 or more. And three, you can withdraw 50% of the profits up to 50,000. I mean, not 50,000, $5,000 per payout, right? And my plan is pretty simple. I'm just gonna build a $2,000 buffer and withdraw anything above that whenever I qualify. And I'm just gonna play the long game with these accounts, right? And the next step, what I'm going to do with my payouts is I'm going to get two 150K accounts and max out all of my funded accounts. Oh, and by the way, if you want to keep track of your trades the same way that I do, I put together the exact same journal that I use every single day. It keeps me disciplined and helps me avoid making continuous mistakes. So I'll drop the link in the description and check it out before we get into the trade for the day. All right, you guys, I just lost the trade right here that I've been looking at. So just to let you know what's going on, or at least what I was looking at. All right, I'm gonna go for it.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is gonna be a nasty little first day, or absolutely beautiful. Oh,
Order filled.
okay, today was just an ugly day. Okay, all right, today was an ugly little day. Actually, a very, very uglier day than I expected. So, sheesh. All right, so it was the first day. First day on my express funded accounts, and I got hit with a doozy. So, let me back it up. Let me back it up. All right, so I saw in the 1 hour that news hit early in the day, pretty much pulled back to this 1 hour demand zone, and I was being very, very patient. I think at least the first trade that I took, I played that correctly. I should have been way more patient with the one that I just took. The one that I just took, I should have just waited on, or waited for like another break of structure or whatnot. So when let me go to the 15 minute. So I seen this rejection right here, right? And okay, I know we're looking for a sale, but didn't know exactly where I really wanted to get in on things at. So this was a difficult trade altogether, and I should have just waited till everything seemed very crystal clear, right? So, but from what I was thinking, was okay, because of this huge candle right here, I know we're looking for, well, I believe we're looking for a sale today. So I need some type of break of structure. And I'll even take the break of structure from these candles right here on the lower time frame. So on the 1 minute, on the 1 minute, price broke structure right here, right? So it pulled back here. I didn't take this trade because it didn't line up with my break and retest strategy. This came back and retested nothing. So um, price pulled back and didn't break this level here. Pulled back again, pulled back into this area. This is technically a W. So I end up getting in right here. So my plan was actually to get a little greedy on this trade, or just take a little bit of risk and actually take it down to my negative 61.8 fib based off of the 1 hour coming all the way down here because it broke structure on the 1 hour here and it retested at a supply area. If I said, I think I said demand area, I meant supply. But I was like, okay, we can play it off of that. And price ended up going in my direction. It came right back. I should have put my stop a little bit under my actual entry rather than under the previous low. But that was a mistake made, so I end up risking a little bit more than I actually needed to on this trade. So I end up off dump losing two 243. Let me just pull it over here so y'all can see it. So for total for the day, I lost 452, which is not great at all. My max loss that I usually want to take for any given day is $300, but for today, I end up losing this trade right here. It's the 244 or 243. And then I seen price reject right here a little bit as well. So I'm thinking, okay, even though it broke structure right here, I'm being delusional at this point. I should have been way more patient with this trade, if even taking another one, right? I should have waited to see what was going on before actually back before actually getting in again, and I lost another pretty much 200. So for the day, we are down 452. We can dig ourselves out of this in just one trade, but that's not really getting off to a great start. But it is what it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to call it a day today with my trading day. And this is the last day of the week too. So it is what it is. We got next week to get everything back. But yeah, that sucked for the first day to lose that much. But it is what it is at this point. We just got to dig ourselves out of the hole. I'm just going to make sure I'm very conservative on my next trade setups coming next week. Make sure I'm good to go. This was a difficult setup altogether. I should have been way more patient. Because originally I wanted price to come back right here and then take a sell off, but I went to the lower time frame to see if I could get in the setup based off of the candles there, due to price breaking structure and everything on the lower time frame. But it is what it is. I did just have to learn a quick little lesson. It was expensive, but I'll be all right. So I believe this is my first time actually getting to the express funded, but I believe this is the max. Yeah, the account won't let you get any lower than this 2,000 limit here. So it's essentially like the first thing over again. You're just building your buffer for the most part. Well, the first, what is it called? The combine, you're just building your buffer here. Lessons learned. Um, it is what it is, but I'll catch you guys next week. That's all I got. Show some love, like, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.